Hello, this is Will from GeneralWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to do a trade review in a LinkedIn day trade I was in this morning. So, bigger picture, uh, uh, LinkedIn has been pretty strong. Started to pull back very sharply, came right back into the previous trading range, and has been on a pretty much uptrend ever since. So one of the key areas I was looking at was above 193.50 as a potential kind of a breakout play with a chance of at least filling this gap from this island gap. But we'll get to that point in a bit. Let's go to the trade. So I'll keep this line here just for now to show where that level is. But my first trade started when I kind of saw a ascending triangle here, and what I did was I bought some initially right here. About really should have bought some. I really should have bought some earlier, like down here. But at this point, I was kind of thinking about the play, analyzing the long term, and seeing this triangle. But by the time I actually put in the order, it was pretty much like on this one of these candles. Anyways, that was my feeler buy, and then I had a buy trigger to add above 193, so I bought some more in there. At this point, it's pretty much just see where it goes, but there was such a quick and immediate spike on such high volume that I immediately sold some, or sold a third of it at 194.50 just to lock in some of the gains because the move was so sudden. If I go drill down to let's drill down to a 1 minute chart, and you can see as soon as it broke through, the next minute it just shot straight up. So at this point, I still had 200 shares left, and I was kind of waiting for a place to add. And notice how this line on 1350 it comes into play. You see it bounced off of here around this area, came back, bounced off around this area, and dipped back through, and then came straight up past that area. But I was kind of looking. Well, I should have been looking to buy this, because if you look on the 15-minute chart, it's a pretty nice looking wedge pattern or flag pattern, pulling back right into a longer term swing high level, or longer term swing high level, yeah. And it really gave you an opportunity to add right here, but I did not take that add. But I did take the add on this next pullback into the EMAs right here. So this is when I added size, basically add back what I sold here, so pretty much around close to the same price actually. From there, this was gonna be a day trade only. I did buy LinkedIn on a swing on a separate account, but I'm not gonna go into that for the purpose of this video. But as soon as it broke above kind of this pivot high area, I wanted to get rid of some just to lock in some gains. So I actually, it's not really a great move, but I sold some like down in this tail area, and I sold some more on the retest of 196, and I sold the rest because I was expecting like a gap fill at least to the bottom of this candle, which was 196.43. So I sold the rest kind of there. 196.40 is when I got filled. So around right here. Yeah, it continued to go up, hit 197, but I wasn't too concerned because this was just a day trade for me on this account. I still have some on a swing. So that was pretty much it. I mean, things that I could have done better on this trade was probably, let me get rid of these drawings. I should have gotten to a feeler when I initially saw kind of this area and this triangle develop. Here would have been kind of the best area above this high. Another possible thing that could have been done better was if I were to uh, use that level, use that 193.50 level, and as soon as it dipped below, kind of bought here instead of buying here. That would have been good too. And really the one that I sold here, I kind of had no reason to sell. I should have just maintained my stop and at least below the EMAs and kind of just let it run and sell on the way up, not sell on the way down. On the way down, I should be looking to buy. On the way up is when I should be looking to sell. But minor things that can improve this trade greatly. But that's all there is for this trade. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon.